Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're working on your Squarespace website and want a cleaner, more minimalist design, maybe you want to remove distractions or create a focused landing page, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through how to remove the header navigation from your Squarespace site, step by step. It's quick, simple, and by the end, your page will look sleek and professional. Let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace account. Go to the Squarespace website, click login, and sign in however you prefer. I usually choose continue with Google because it's fast and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your websites. Click on the one you want to edit. This takes you to your site dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Pages. This is where you'll see all the pages that make up your website. Find the specific page where you want to remove the header navigation. Next to that page's name, click on the gear icon. That's the settings button for that individual page. Inside the page settings, look for the navigation section. This is where the magic happens. Now, find the toggle or checkbox labeled something like Show Header or Display Navigation. Depending on your template, the exact wording might vary. Simply turn that off. And that's it. The header navigation will be removed from that specific page. This is super useful if you're designing a landing page, a focused sales page, or a portfolio section where you want visitors to stay on that page without distractions. It gives your site a much cleaner and more intentional look. Before you leave, make sure to hit Save. This is important to lock in your changes. Once saved, preview your page. You'll see that the header navigation is completely gone, leaving your content front and center. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the header navigation from your Squarespace page. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more quick Squarespace tips and website design tutorials. I post regularly to help you make your site look exactly the way you envision it. Got any questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy editing.